In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove people from the background of your photo, and I'm also going to show you how you can convert your photo from this to this. So stay with me. Let's go. Hey guys, it's your boy Harrison. If you're new to this channel, please smash the subscribe button, and please take 1 second to hit the bell icon. Turn on my post notification for more content. All right, let's go right into this video. Today, I'm going to show you how you can remove those people photobombing your picture. But today I'm going to show you how you can do that using your phone and in just few minutes, few seconds or minutes, I don't know. So um before it was so difficult thing, I mean you have to go through stress, but now AI has made it possible and easy for everyone to do. There are two stages. If you just want to take away people you don't care about how the background looks, the first stage is for you. The second stage is when I use Photoshop to enhance it and make it look more natural. AI is here. AI can help us do so many things, but AI is yet to understand how things look in real life. AI just picks so many pictures from the internet and just merge them together to form something. I mean, it's quicker and it's faster. I mean, if we have to edit these things using Photoshop or whatever software we have to go online to look for stock images or try to recreate from the current background. That is how I do my work. That's how I do my Photoshop work. I always try to recreate using the background picture, and I also try to get references from online, just background pictures. But AI has made it so easy right now. There are still glitches. It is not yet perfect. AI is not yet perfect because it does not understand how the real world works. It just understands what it sees on the internet, and most of the time, those information are just should I say shaky? I don't know the word to use. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that with your phone. Let's dive right into this. First thing you want to do is to first thing I do is to open my eraser app. This app I use to remove background from images. I'm going to select the picture I want to edit, which is this girl in an event where she's surrounded by so many people. So I'm going to select that picture and I'm going to use the eraser tool to erase people from the background. First, I'm going to erase everyone from the background. Just going to do that. You have to be careful, but in this case, I'm trying to do it as fast as I could. So I'm just going to take it away, and when I'm done, I'm going to hit on the done button over there, and I'm going to save. I think that is enough people for now, and I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to save this image. Now I'm going to go to my Chrome browser, and I'm going to open the .e site, and when I go to the .e, I'm going to all right. So it's so easy from here. You just have to click on upload an image and select the image you want to put, which is this, and I'm going to just crop the image. After cropping, I'm just going to type in what I want the AI to do. And when I type that, which is to remove everyone from the background and fix her in a perfect environment that suits the picture. I don't know. It's just random. It just comes and goes. So I'm just going to type that and see which one works. I've done this like how many times? 9 times already. So let's see what it will bring. And then when I'm done, I'm going to hit generate and it's going to load and we're going to see the results. All right, so let's wait for the results. When it loads, it takes time though. Well, so now you can see this is the result it generated. So now I'm going to click, I'm going to show you the images it brought out so you can see the difference. As you can see, I tried to remove background, but yet it's giving me some with people and some with just some mixed images. The AI is trying to understand the environment, but yet can't figure it out. Now I'm going to use this loophole here, and I'm going to send it all these prompts, all these pictures. I'm going to send them to Photoshop, and I'm going to work with them, and I'm going to give you a better result, better than what the AI gave. So let's dive inside Photoshop and let me show you how I did it. I'm going to speed run this process anyway. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to match those pictures the AI gave me. I'm just going to mix all of them together, and I'm going to use Photoshop and my experience. I'm just going to use Photoshop and try to blend them in and try to make sure they all correspond. And in the process, also I created some environment too. It's a stressful process, but here's how it's done. It took about 30 something minutes to complete. So yeah, so here's the speed run of how it is. I don't want to bore you with all the information. different. So why I use so the good thing about this AI is that you get to the good thing about this AI is that you get to have reference of how you want the picture to be. I mean, you can make some tweaks there and there. I mean, change it to make it look real. Okay. Um, AI just helps you fix the perspective, the background. You just have new ideas of how you're going to work on this picture. So you don't basically have to depend on this AI to do everything for you. You just have to depend on the AI to give you another perspective of how you should look into this image when editing. So you should not just rely on the AI to complete everything. So you just as an editor, for someone that does not edit, you can go ahead to do this, but someone might think you edited because you can see it's just using colors and painting, just smashing it up and there. Everything just scattered. I'm telling you, everything just scattered. You can see everything is just scattered. So AI is not yet perfect, and it will be in the future anyway. It will be in the future fast. Things are improving very, very fast. So AI is going to improve in the future, and it's going to take our jobs. So AI is going to take our jobs, bro. AI is improving very fast. So, but for now, we are still intact because we are going to use this AI and then mix it with Photoshop and then try to make things work out for you. So, this is how I did it with Photoshop. I'm just going to speed ramp it. So you can see the whole process, the whole tedious process it took to get this to where it is right now. So let's go. You can see the before and after already. It's looking beautiful, and that's the final. Man, I am so tired. This took so long to do. So here's the before, and here is the after. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notification. All right, that'll be all for now. So if you're new to this channel, please smash on the likes button, and please take 1 second to hit the bell icon.